Remove the light assembly from the base of the machine. Remove the front guard. Install the drill guide on the correct side, marked left and right, using the bolt from the front guard. Using a marker, mark the area to drill. Using a 1/4 inch drill bit, drill the 2 marked holes. Install the bracket using the provided nut and bolt, then tighten until snug. Remove the bolt from the track lock. Unlock the weight and slide to the forward position. Remove the weight. Remove the 3 bolts on the weight, separating it from the weight support. Remove the front guard. Lift and move the water tank out of the way. Remove the weight lock. Install the new weight lock. Reinstall the weight and slide to the rear position, ensuring the weight is locked in place. Reinstall the weight lock retainer. Install the gas shock to the weight bracket. Install the gas shock to the base using the spacers provided. Reinstall the front guard. Reinstall the light to the base of the machine. Reinstall the water tank and the front guard.